This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5: Steering and Sustaining a Conversation. Conversation encompasses more than just speaking and listening. It involves non-verbal cues, ambient factors, and various other elements that come into play during interactions. In this session, 3 different activities related to conversation skills are being introduced, beyond the speaking skills covered previously. The first activity explores the vital role of silence in conversations, using an interesting graph to illustrate its importance in making sense and creating space for understanding. Cultural differences shape conversational patterns, as demonstrated by the varying use of silence between American, Japanese, and Indian cultures during speaker transitions. Meaningful conversations require considering the cultural context, exercising patience, active listening, and allowing for personal sharing to build trust and understanding. Effective communication involves body language, tone, style, and thoughtful language choices that convey politeness, concern, and a desire to connect. Nonverbal aspects like posture, gestures, and facial expressions significantly impact the intimacy and distance in conversations and will be further explored through activities. The context, including power dynamics and relationships, determines the communication norms and conversational styles that should be adopted across different situations and cultures. In conversations, people often adapt and role-play based on the situation and their relationship with the other person, adjusting their language, body language, and formality accordingly. Telephone conversations lack the non-verbal cues present in face-to-face interactions, necessitating different communication strategies that will be explored through role-playing activities. Throughout the session, the importance of being sensitive to the nuances of human communication, contexts, and audiences will be emphasized to foster meaningful interactions. Ultimately, care, consideration, and contextual awareness are vital for effective and nuanced communication that avoids hurt or neglect in human interactions. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.